A summer evening on the Champs-Élysées, a secret rendezvous they planned for days. A sea of faces in a crowded cafe, the sound of laughter as the music plays. Jean-Claude was a student at the Université. Louise Marie was just a world away. He recalled the night they met was warm with laughter. The words were music as she turned